What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So it's about time that I do a new thumbnail for my YouTube channel, because the old thumbnail I show the brands, so no point, they're not paying me. Adidas is not paying me to sponsoring me to wear their t-shirt. So why should I show the thumbnail? So next time you do content, right? Remember, if the brands are not sponsoring you, you can actually start to do content for them. But if the big brands, it's harder to get attention. So you want to start with a smaller brand that you also have an affiliate link with. Okay, like this clothes I'm wearing, this shirt I'm wearing is from Uniqlo, and I have affiliate link to Uniqlo. At least if people were to buy something from me from using my link, at least I get paid. And this Rode also, I have affiliate link for Rode, so at least I get paid. Adidas, no, I don't have any affiliate links. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how I create the thumbnails, and before that I'm also going to explain to you why you see those famous YouTuber, people like ZR, people like Financial Faiz, Mr. Money TV, and then Graham Stephan. If you are following the US YouTubers, Graham Stephan, Andre Jig, those personal finance. Why these YouTubers use their face put on thumbnails, and someone make funny expression, so cringy, right? Mr. Beast put his thumbnail on thumbnail, and you like that. Why they like to do like this? Because, ladies and gentlemen, a face, right, is the most recognizable part of the person. It breeds familiarity. Next time, because YouTube is very crowded, so if you see it on the phone, you're scrolling, suddenly you see a face, the creator that you subscribe to, and you want to know. So you see my face, right? So you will click. Or you see Mr. Beast's face, you will click. Okay, so that's how we get a click-through rate. We increase the click-through rate and increase the sense of trust, because you put a face to the channel. It's not a faceless channel. Okay, so that's why we do like so many funny faces. It's all to show the emotion. Okay, sad, angry, all this point, some stupid pointing. This is all to attract attention. But the most important is the face. Okay, the thumbnail must show the biggest part of the thumbnail must have the face. So today I'm going to show you how it's done. Actually, my thumbnail, right, if you see, I still have like half body. I should have like more of my face on my thumbnail. So I will try to do that and show you how it is done today lah. Okay, all for free. We are going to use AI, everything all for free. Let's start. So first up, you will want a background here, which is white. So it's next time, it's easy for the AI to cut the background. So what you're going to do, let me bring closer so I can show you. So on the tripod, what you're going to do, right, is just to like freeze frame. Imagine now I want to make a face where I'm shocked. So I'm just going to do. Your eyes, you can actually look down, right? So you hold there for like 5 seconds, and then later you can actually freeze it and cut, okay? Or so I'm just going to do everything, just show you lah. It's kind of embarrassing actually, but well. So now I'm actually on my software. I'm using Filmora here. You can use any video editing software. What I want to do is to find a timeline where I make face like this, alright, and then press snapshot. Okay, so one more. Okay, let me just go and find, sorry. Like, okay, for example, like this. Like this. Okay, so you got this snapshot here. There's 3 snapshots. After you got the photo, right, you want to come to this website called tinywow.com. Everything here is free. This website has a lot of tools that you can use, but you want to use these tools. Remove background from image. So I just choose one here. Okay, so this is the image, right, where you remove the background already. Download. So you go to Canva. After you download it, right, you go to Canva. When you go to Canva, right, you choose YouTube thumbnail. So I choose this one, YouTube thumbnail. Do you see this button upload here on my left? On the left, you just upload files. You see, this is the photo I have just now, right? Then just create, let's just say a topic. Uh, then or read. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you create a thumbnail. You repeat this with as many image that you want, and you are done. Okay, in less than 5 minutes you are done already. After you are done, right, download this and you can upload as a your YouTube thumbnail already. So it's so easy, right? Everything is done for free. You don't have to come out a single cent. Even the software I used was free just now. Okay, you can use any software as long as you can capture. If you don't have software, right, you can even use a selfie on your phone, also no problem. So I hope this video has been useful. This is Kenny here from Profit Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.